Hi, it's Anthony with Land Title. I wanted to bring you our Erie update for September. One of the things that we've been noticing in the market is we've really been chasing prices down a little bit since about April, right? So since we've been bringing prices down a little bit since April, we kind of saw something similar last year where we peaked in the market, we saw it drop. We're going to see a pretty steady fall, I believe, but those interest rates are really starting to have an effect on the market. Now, you can see that we're still up 8%. We're up 11% in the median. Obviously, this is still a very healthy, strong market. In the condo townhouse market, everywhere in Boulder County is experiencing this, where prices are soaring. People are being pushed into the more affordable price ranges, and by doing that, you're really seeing these prices increase, right? Almost 30% on average sales price for the condo townhouse market in Erie. It's a pretty small market. We see it bounce all over the place quite a bit, but that being said, this is consistent behavior across the county. So it is a very real thing we're experiencing. Now, the average price per square foot still tells us a lot about Erie. Erie is still one of the more affordable places in Boulder County. $250 a square foot is a bargain compared to a lot of places, but we're substantially above where we were last year, 18% or so. The condo townhouse market is pretty close to in line with where it was last year. Could just be the composition of sales on that one because we just, we don't have a ton of condo townhouses in Erie. Now, if we look at supply is one thing we need to pay the most attention to because right now, this is a really, really interesting market. Erie is not acting like most of the rest of the market in Boulder County. We're entering a fall market. There should be a little bit of slowdown in active units, but we're at 125 active units on the market. We're pretty close to where we were in 2018 in the last real rising inventory situation, 2018, 2019. And we're still just booming in new listings, right? Look at this, 97 new units came to the market last month, well above the norm. And it's just the outlier in the entire county. And it's been that way for a little while. Why is that? I would say it's because of our buyer demand. 98 units came to the market last month, 67 went under contract. We're still right in line with what we did last year, the previous years. Now, a lot of the county is trending more towards those 2018 numbers. So expect that at some point. But for right now, lots of pent-up demand. We have about 2 months of inventory on the market. Obviously very different than where we were in 2020, 2021, the COVID years. But now that we're kind of trending towards that, pre-pandemic levels, those 2018, 2019 levels, expect this to plateau and then rise again come springtime because that fall market traditionally, slows down a little bit. Listings come off the market that didn't sell. We have less sellers bringing it to market, even if our buyer behavior continues. Now, market activity, what does this mean? It means that the market's going to slow the pace down just a little bit. We see this every year towards the fall where it tends to rise all the way through the fall months. But as you can see in Erie, who knows? Sometimes fourth quarter does really, really well there. But we have 25 days in the MLS, so it's taking a little bit longer for stuff to go under contract. And the bidding wars are coming back to reality. We're right back to those 2018, 2019 levels, just like the rest of Boulder County. 98.5% listed sale price. That's a really good sign that we're back into more of a healthy, normalized market. That being said, this is a great time to buy and sell in Erie. If you have any questions, I'm Anthony at Land Title. We'll catch you in the next video.